Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to lock internal and external hard disk with password. First, open File Explorer and right click on the disk and click on Turn on BitLocker. A window will pop up and check the box which says use a password to unlock the drive. Then enter your password. After entering the password, click Next and click Save to a file and save it. Now click Next and again click Next. Now if you are doing this for a removable device, click Compatible Mode. If you are doing this for an internal drive, click on New Encryption Mode. Now click on Next. Now click on Start Encrypting. Now you can see that the progress has started. After the progress is completed, click on Close. Now we have successfully encrypted the drive. Now whenever you shut down and turn on your computer, it will ask to enter the password to unlock the drive. Now I am entering my password. Now you can see that the drive has been successfully unlocked. In case if you have forgotten the password of the disk, I will show you how to recover from it. First, open the BitLocker recovery file and copy the recovery key. Now, double click on the disk and click on More Options and click on Enter Recovery Key and paste the recovery key and click on Unlock. Now the drive has successfully recovered from the password. Now I will show you how to remove the BitLocker encryption. First, open search bar and type Manage BitLocker and open it. Now click on the Expand button. And click on Turn off BitLocker and again click on Turn off BitLocker. Now you can see that the progress has started. Now you can see that it has successfully removed the encryption. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.